What's up guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to show you what is the difference between a catted J-pipe and a catless J-pipe. He has no resonator, I have a resonator. We're going to give you like a few revs, and yeah, let's just get to it.
We're going to do a little donuts. You already did some, you know?
Yeah, we did some donuts, all-wheel drive.
Spot.
Alright, let's do this.
What'd you say?
I said, oh my goodness, fuck her.
Fuck her. Damn! That joint loud. Damn, just admire that. You know? You know what we're about to see?
What?
He about to blow his motor! So that was the difference between a catted and a catless. You guys, I'm at a little risk right now just because it's cold and I can't get boost creep. While him, since he's catted, he doesn't have that risk. So if you want louder, you go catless. But if you don't, you're fine with that noise.
If you want to shoot flames, go catless.
Yeah.
I can't shoot flames, so that kind of sucks. But I mean, it's easier for me to pass like inspection or emissions.
Yeah.
So he doesn't really have to do emissions down here, like or like he passes.
Yeah, I pass it.
I get like a physical person to check my car. He doesn't. He has like a machine, so he can like bypass it and stuff. So
yeah.
if you can get catless, if you want it, shoot flames.
Yeah.
But I mean, I might go catless. I don't know yet though.
I mean, it's not bad, you know.
I don't think there's a power difference.
Yeah.
Nothing like
Just,
that. So.
yeah, just louder.
Yeah, louder, as you can see.
It's cheaper too.
Yeah, the
Way
catless
cheaper.
is cheaper. The catted one, it was expensive. It was like 2 times as much money.
Yeah.
So,
well, that was the difference between you guys.
yeah,
You guys can pick what you guys like.
Just a little quick video.
Yeah.
So, shotgobuild.com, go subscribe, or go subscribe, go buy.
Go do everything you want. This is the end of the video. Hope you guys liked it, and we're out.